What do you get when you mix junk, paint, and LED lights? That's right, it's a Sleazy's Garage holiday special. Welcome back to the garage. Today we are celebrating the holidays and working on our holiday project. This one's going to be pretty similar to the last one. I'm sure you've all seen the thumbnail by now, so you know exactly what I'm going to be making. I did actually think about doing it on the reverse side of my last project, but there was some things that I didn't like about that. So cool, let's just jump right into it. Step one, we know that we have to get some of this white on there first. Otherwise the green is never gonna stand out. Look at that blade, rusty as well. Both this, when I made this, it's the next day, paint is all dried. I've got a set of LED lights, because that's what we do here. So I'm gonna wrap the thing with these, and then that's pretty much it. Short video, but fun project. Alright. Not quite as dry as I'd hoped. It's a little tacky, but it's not bad. And what are we expecting, right? It's literally a junk project. Okay. And the purpose of this is to give the you know, I didn't even check to see if this one has the sticky tape on it. It might not. They kind of look like they do. Probably should have tested these first, right? Oops. Just a one safety thing. These things do generate heat, and putting them on a piece of flammable cardboard might not be a great idea. So if you're going to use this, just make sure it's properly supervised while you run it. Cool. Got some light. So I've thought about this. I'm not sure if I really want these kind of like sticking out the front. We'll try it. I tend to not like to see the lights and try to do them as backlight. But these are the types that have all three colors in one LED. It might look okay. It might look like garbage, but it is garbage, right? So do we really care? I mean, I don't really care. It should go without saying that if you are photosensitive, have a happy holiday, happy new year. You guys are amazing, but just tune out right now because I have to say I'm concerned. One good thing about these tires, you might be able to use staples. And again, this is like the steel bead, so. All right. This thing is gonna light up. Again, I want to make this perfectly clear. I don't like to have the LEDs facing outwards because it's a little bit more in your face. This is going to be bright. If you're photosensitive, please just end the video. Have a great holiday. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, so we know it works. You know what this junk needs? It needs more junk. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe one on the bottom, I think. Maybe one up here. I have three, so let's put all three on. I don't really have an eye for this. All right, how we feeling about this? That's some good looking junk. It's not quite balanced with this up here, but do you care? I don't care. Figure out a way to keep this here. Can we make it just switch between red and green? I'm sure you can program these things. Fade 7 for now. Mrs. Sleazy is here to help me make this thing even more flammable.
I thought we had a lot. I thought we had a lot.
I could staple it onto the back.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Wait, no, you gotta pull off the thing.
Wait, oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Sounds like unattended
I
dogs.
think they're in disapproval that I'm down here.
There you go. You know what? I really like it because it makes those, like the light bounces off the.
Oops. What do you think?
Beautiful. No one can even tell it's a junky old tire. Should we put the music to it?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this pretty goofy project. Hope you all have a super happy holiday season. If you celebrate, Merry Christmas. Have a super happy New Year. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing a 2-year State of the Build episode. I'll give a full budget breakdown. We spent a whole lot more money on it this year than we did last. Don't forget, there's a question form open up on Sleazy's Garage. Feel free to ask me anything you want. I'm going to answer all the questions in the State of the Build video. So let me know what you think. I think it's kind of cool. A little gaudy, a little, I don't know, a little junk miss. Again, thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for all your comments. I'll see you in the new year.